Guys, guys, guys. Guides, guides, guides. Welcome back to another episode of Moments on Figma. On today's episode, we're going to learn a quick trick dealing with guides. On earlier episodes, I've explained to you how to create static layout guides, either as grids or as columns. However, sometimes you need more. And let's take a quick look at this example here. I'm trying to copy an Instagram homepage for tutorials and I'm facing some difficulties in measurements. First, let's open the main menu and select View, then Rulers. Rulers are usually located on the top and left side of the Canva. If I want a temporary guide to help me measure specific elements, I'll click and hold on the top ruler and then drag the cursor toward the element I want to measure. For example, I'm dragging it to the exact vertical center of the header of the screenshot I have. And I want to make sure that in my copy, everything is aligned the same way at the center. The guide makes a huge help if you were struggling in positioning your elements. Of course, you can create as many guides as you need for your project. You can do the same on the left ruler as well. Drag a vertical guide, for example, and place it on the edge of this circle. Then if you hold Alt and hover over the guide, you can measure the distance between that guide and whatever you've selected. In this case, my selection is the screenshot of Instagram, so it instantly showed a 13 pixels gap between the guide and the left edge of the screenshot. Finally, once you're done, you can easily get rid of your temporary guides by grabbing them and throwing them back to where they came from. That's it for today. If you like this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode of Ep.5.